So for the setting button code, we're going to start from the very top. So this one, I receive main page. Under this, we're going to go inside the Blue Motions tab. We're going to add a go to x0, y negative 100. And underneath that, we're going to add a show. Next, we're going to go onto control and add a repeat until. Inside of the diamond shape, we're going to go onto operators and use the equal sign. The empty bubble, we're going to go into variable and we're going to add the ready. And the 50, we're going to change to a 1. Next, inside, we're going to go onto control and we're going to add an if then else. Inside of the diamond shape, we're going to go onto sensing and use the touching mouse pointer since it is a button. And then inside of the first bracket, we're going to go onto looks. We're going to add a set brightness to -50. And then we're going to duplicate this and add this to the else. And we're going to change this to 0. Okay. So this will allow us to change the color of it so that it looks a little bit brighter or darker, or back to its original color, so the player understands that they're hovering over it. Next, when I receive instructions, we're just going to add a hide. When this sprite is clicked, we're going to go onto the yellow events tab and we're going to broadcast settings. We're then going to go onto variable and we're going to set settings to 1. We're going to then go onto the bottom part of the variable tab and we're going to add a show list scoreboard. And underneath that, we're going to go back onto looks and add a hide. So this is going to show the scoreboard that we will have. So there is going to be sort of like the previous game, a leaderboard to this. And then the last thing we're going to do is for when green flag is clicked, we're going to add a go to front layer. Now with this, we're going to go ahead and move on to the help button.